Address is address. Address.
Address is address. Excuse me. Excuse me. Address.
มีอะไรให้ช่วยป่ะ
Right. Address.
อ๋อ yes go stay on and take a corner you can turn right and you can find the house number
Thank you for information.
yes okay but next time you can use the Google Translate
What is Google Translate?
oh Google Translate is a free multilingual machine translate service developed by Google and you can translate text speech image or sight with real-time video from one language into another and you can download on mobile app for iOS or Android
Oh, I never know. Thank you for again.
yes no problem ไป
Bye
จบ
ต้องเบิ่งอยู่เด้อถ้าหากว่าเธอ